there is always crop raiding by baboon.
Ab'ekitongore ekitari kya gavumenti ekya Nature Uganda bakwatanise na n'ekitongore ekya National Forestry Authority omu district ya Rubirizi barugireyo basiima abaturage ahabw'omurimo murungi ogu bariyo nibakora okurinda ebyobuhangwa. Aba bashoborere ngu enyimaho abatuura bakaba batahirira ebibira ekintu eki barikugira ngu nikireetwaho obutashomesebwa.
Emitwe y'ekibira negenda nekwatagana ahabw'okuba bakitahirira eby'emiti emihango bakaba bagishara bagihamwe amakara bagihamwe embaho bagihamwe enku n'ebindi byona babintu babasa kubona hati kitakiriyo kandi ntusiima abantu ababikirize tukoragana nabo ebintu ebyo bikashyikira.
Part of the work will be on policy advocacy. That will be to involve politicians like our RTC friends here in our work, but also to educate some of his colleagues who don't know much about the forest.
Komuringo gumwe ogwo kwenda kuuma ebyobuhangwa abatuura bwanyuma y'okushomesebwa bakahwerwa kutandikaho ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ekirikurugamu entaasya.
Bine ebintu bibiri hati ebitugenderire konka nibigita habe tubiye ntukora omu kubanza tubiye ntuhingisa abantu orutoke kuruga kitoke kya kiro 15 hati abantu basiye ebitoke birikurugamu kiro 50 buri kitoke kimwe.
Bamwe abatuura abayijumbire mu project ezi nibagira ngu baganyirwemo munonga.
Mbwenu batakizira abantu banecha tukaturi kubi ihamba abantu kandi batema emihini enku ebiti baratema baraza kombekesa konka aba bantu kuba amazire kwija batutekamu omuhimbo batuhereze ebikwato twabone byo gukora nko munonga ko gukora wayini
mbwenu kubagampire nagakekereze enku kandi nekizibu cyo mwika ekyecho kikashanke cyakyendera ticyakiro.
Aba Nature Uganda bono bagira ngu n'obuharabe hariho byinje bikozerwe hakiriho ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebiri kubatema enteje.
Ekizibu cyo kubanza ne sente zitakumara sente zakubintu zituyamba gukora operations allowances patrolmen abantu tukabasasura kugira ngo babe bakora umurimo barye bareke kuba tempted kuzo mu illegal activities. Then twine ekizibu cya transport twine pikemwe ekabe ku transporting abasirikare patrolmen nananye tekumara netu inconveniencing.
Abahangu hati nibashaba ngu abarubirizi hamwe n'ihanga ryona okugumizamo barikurinda ebibira ahwe mugasho nyamwingi abibira ibine ahwe ihanga ryona.
To read it, the message is that the forest is theirs. It's not that they should look at it as something that is separate from them. The forest is theirs, but it's their responsibility to be part of the team that is protecting the forest.
Makuru aga gashakwa Olivier Nasasira omurubirizi.